Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm taking you guys along with me on my day. Another little day in my life type of vlog. It's gonna be a little bit different. Obviously I don't do this every single day, but I wanted to make this kind of like a day in my life as a small business owner type of thing. If you guys didn't know, I do have a brand. It is called Street Bliss. I've done a couple jobs and right now I'm working on a new collection and I'm so excited. It's actually the first time I'm gonna be able to go to the place where they're actually screen printing my shirts or hoodies. Never been able to go and record the process, so I'm really excited to go do it and excited for the opportunity to go and do it. That's what I'm gonna be doing this morning, and then probably having a little meeting just for more ideas and everything that has to happen. I'm excited to take you guys along the process, really talk about the little things that go on or try to show you as much as I can. I'm super excited for my new job, so make sure you guys are following streetbliss.co on Instagram. No concrete date on when it is releasing, but keep an eye out for early May. I know it's already basically May, possibly the second week of May. So yeah, I'm so excited for this drop. I have all the designs done, everything done. I have my little sticker pack that's gonna be coming out. I'm actually gonna be getting the stickers that are gonna be releasing today so I can like start posting them up. And I'm not sure when the shirts and hoodies are gonna be done. Today starts the printing process, so I'm gonna be able to record some of it. Okay, let's go, because now I'm just rambling and rambling. There was so much traffic, it was not real. I was like, it's literally 9 in the morning. I just got here. I don't know if we're heading straight there, but I think we are. And then probably just go for lunch and talk about things that need to get done because this drop is coming in like less than 2 weeks. So we are on crunch mode now and things need to get done. If you guys are going to Fuel Fest, Street Bliss is gonna be there. Just finalized that, so I'm so excited. So make sure you pop in and say hi if you're there. It is on June 4th, so
each spot, and then what it'll do is you'll see it. There's down here, you're out of the way. Hey, when you do it, that's it.
So this is the one that's on the shirt right now?
Yeah, this one is.
I think it looks good.
Yeah, this is the hopping. This is actually the exact same Pantone color.
Oh. Yeah.
Because I know if I got it, I'll be like...
Yeah, I'd be like, oh, I think I got a bad one.
Yeah, no, you want to have it done correctly.
Yeah.
So it would look like that.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Like without the filling.
Without the film. So it'll look kind of like funky. And then it'll look really blotchy.
Yeah.
I always understand when they say bad as After each color, it's basically a heat lamp.
Okay.
What it does is dries the previous color ink, so by the time you get the next one, when you print it, it doesn't pick up the ink.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
So on this one, we're running 2 flashes, so after we print what we call
I think it looks better. I'm glad I was here though to perfect the little license plate issue. I'm so excited. These are gonna look so good.
Okay.
These are going to be the neck labels. This is the second design. I want to touch the paint. Okay, so I'm about to go home. It's 3 p.m. now. In a little meeting, a little talk about some more things. I can scratch my chin and that was all red. But it is official. I will be at Fuel Fest June 4th. So if you guys are going to be there, make sure you pop on by. We'll be doing a little pop-up shop at the Volante booth. My car is going to be there and I'm so excited. It's going to be crazy. It's my first time ever doing anything with Street Bliss that's not online. So I'm very, very excited. Definitely if you're there, swing by and say hi. I knew it was always a possibility I was going to be going, but today was like confirmation. I just got to do some other things, a little behind the scenes stuff. If you didn't plan on going, you guys should definitely go. My steering wheels are actually going to be for sale there and I might be doing a raffle, so make sure you stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, follow Volante on Instagram. Definitely we're going to keep updated and all the details and stuff. I'm gonna be having the whole new Street Bliss shop there and then giving away some free goodies, possibly doing a raffle on my steering wheel, and the steering wheel will also be for sale. So I'm super excited. They're not released yet. Post a little picture of what it's gonna look like. This is actually the first time I show it fully to anyone, so you guys get the first look. I've been teasing it a little bit, but I haven't shown the full look of it because it is still in production, but it should be here very, very soon. We've been working on this for months now and it's finally coming to the end. Well, not the end because it's barely gonna get released, you know, but head home, be stuck in traffic, and I'll give you guys more of a rundown of anything that I'm missing. I do have the stickers, so I'm gonna show you guys that when I am home. It's just very hot right here right now. Those are some of the new things that happened today. I didn't record at all like any of our talks because it's just like, I'm not gonna pull up my camera in the middle, but I learned something new every day. Honestly, like, I haven't really talked about it at all, but obviously I've been doing Street Bliss for like a little bit over a year now. The official drop was about a year, but working on it, it's been over a year. Right now, I'm trying to take it to like the next step. So I do have a team now that I'm working with, and that is why I come out here now more often. At the beginning, I was just a one-woman show and I would take care of everything. Now, things are very different and I'm learning a whole lot, like having a team by my side. I'm just so grateful for this opportunity and to have a team and just, you know, good people by my side. It's been really cool. It's been like a go, go, go mode lately, but that's how it should be. It's obviously hard doing it by myself, and that's why I never really had consistent drops, just because like I can only do so much myself, honestly, so I haven't really shared that or anything. But I do want to give you guys more behind the scenes of like my life and of my business and my YouTube life and just like anything, honestly, like, you know, open book type of style. I'm really excited for the future of Street Bliss and for myself and just for everything. Like, there's a lot of things that are going to be happening and I'm just so excited to be obviously growing. Like, that's always my goal, is to be growing, and that's what I'm trying to focus on. So I'm really happy. I'm excited to take you guys along the journey. I definitely want to like bring you guys for everything and show you guys as much as I can. Definitely if you guys want to see more stuff like this, more behind the scenes, more of my life and more of like the business side, because obviously I am a new business owner and I'm trying to make my brand be bigger, and you know, basically what every business owner's goal is, to be bigger and grow, and that's what I'm trying to do and learn. Having the right people by my side is very beneficial, and honestly I'm very grateful and thankful for that. I know if you guys want to see more like this, or if there's anything in particular that you guys want to see or me talk about, then let me know and I'm open to it. I'm gonna get home right now. I have about an hour and 30-minute drive. It's not too bad. It's usually more than that, so I'm happy for that. Start editing this video just to like get ahead, and then I am gonna be just start planning things for the future, just things that I need to get done. Oh yeah, okay, I need to drive now. Okay, I just got home now and I want to show you guys all the stickers. So here's the first logo sticker. It's just the Street Bliss logo in hot pink, and then I did the light pink, of course, match my car. I love these. And then here's my little Ollie sticker, so cute. And then my car sticker, and then my car with the SB logo. Let me know what you guys think. These came out so awesome. I love them so much. They're gonna be available as well in my new drop. So excited for you guys to get these and rock them. Get the star of the show. Hi, baby. I got into some comfy pants, and now I'm basically just going to go on my iPad, go on my laptop, start importing everything, and start editing, start writing down any important dates. Obviously, like I said, Fuel Fest is June 4th. I'm also going to be at the Volante warehouse sale. It is going to be May 15th. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be taking my car. Their first warehouse sale slash car meet they're going to do. It's going to be super cool, super good vibes. I'm going to pass by and check it out. I'll be there. Come say hi. It is going to be in Fullerton. I'll probably be posting up the exact location, time, date, and everything on my Instagram, as well as on Volante's Instagram. They'll be posting it up soon. And then this Sunday I might be going to the Top Rank open house thing, so I feel like that'd be some fun content, and we're gone obviously, so I think it'd be a cool experience. So I'll have to do some planning for Fuel Fest, like just like how it's gonna go, and help me at the table and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy. I like being busy. I like having the ball rolling. It motivates me, it keeps me going, keep coming up with content for Street Bliss. Like, I cannot slack off. I think that was one of my bigger issues, is that I would run out of content and then wouldn't go out to get more content for the page, so I wouldn't have like a consistent posting schedule type of thing. I want to be more consistent on everything. I want to make consistent uploads, be consistent on my Instagrams and TikTok and stuff, but sometimes my idea juices don't flow. Just got pictures. My steering wheels are going into stitching. That means they're one step closer to being done. I'm so excited. They look so good. You guys have no idea how long this has been in the works. It's just been such a long process to like get them done. Street Bliss and Volante steering wheel coming soon. There is no exact date, but they should be available at Fuel Fest, how I was saying. So definitely will probably be released before Fuel Fest, but you'll be able to get them at Fuel Fest if you go. I really want Thai food, like so bad. I just want a Thai tea and some noodles and some tom yum shrimp. That's actually really good. It's 7:30 now. I just finished my dinner slash getting my DoorDash. I did order myself some Thai food. I got a Thai tea and tom yum shrimp, and I just made myself some chow mein and brown rice at home. Did a little half cooking, half DoorDash order. I just really wanted a Thai tea and tom yum shrimp that I didn't want to like not get it. Let's try a little shrimpy. Look at my Hello Kitty chopsticks. They are the cutest things ever. I love eating everything with my Hello Kitty chopsticks. The chow mein's pretty good. It's my first time having it. It's from Trader Joe's, and I really don't ever order from DoorDash or like Uber, like ever. Past this place on my way here, but I just like wanted to get home because there was so much traffic, and then I regretted not stopping or placing an order to pick it up. And then I was like, I refused to go back. So I decided to spoil myself. Even though I already ate out today, trying my best not to eat out, which I mean I'm pretty good at. I like cooking, so it's not too bad. Honestly, my days never look the same. It changes every single week. I don't really have like a set schedule, like Monday do this, Tuesday this, Wednesday this. It's always very different. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be babysitting in the morning. I'm just gonna be ending the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of this. First time doing something like this, like a behind the scenes of like the process of my brand, and I thought it was really fun. So if you guys want to see more like this, definitely let me know. Or like I said, if you guys want to see something in specific, let me know as well. I'm gonna be finishing my food, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.